Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to increase ringer volume on iPhone. Let's begin. So, yeah, there's it's very easy for you to adjust or increase your ringer volume. One step would be going to your settings, guys. From settings, you go to sounds and haptics. Bear in mind, when it's already iPhone 7 and up, when you go to settings, the choice would be sounds and haptics. But if your phone is below than iPhone 7, all you need to do is just go to settings and then look for sounds. That's it. So how are you going to increase the ringer volume? Just slide up to here. All right. So just put your finger and then just slide. But there's also an easy way for you to do that. You know the left portion or left side of your device, guys. There's actually a plus and minus buttons in there. In case for me to just show it to you, I'm actually here in support at apple.com. So there's a way for you to increase your ringer volume by pressing the volume up and then volume down. Or if you need Siri's assistance, you can just say, "Hey Siri, turn my volume up."
Loud as it gets.
So there, it's very interesting, right? So this is pretty much how you could increase the ringer volume on your iPhone. If you want to look for other iPhone tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and hit on like button. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.